Now you guys come along with me and make this cookie order. Now this one was for pickup, so it is going to be bagged instead of boxed. So I am starting off, I have some cheesecake icing here that I made up, and I'm putting those over the strawberry cheesecake cookies and then over the red velvet because they did ask for red velvet cheesecake cookies as well. And after I drizzle that on top, next is the cookie butter cookies. Now I melted the cookie butter in the microwave first just to make it more spreadable. And then I added it on top and I just let that set, and now everything is going to get drizzled with this white chocolate. I love drizzling white chocolate on. It's like the most therapeutic thing. And then I have Oreo cookies and cream and a banana pudding. So I'll drizzle white chocolate on both of those as well. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add the cookies on top. Of course, Oreos on top of the Oreo one and banana wafers on top of the banana cookies. And now for the strawberry cheesecake, I am adding the strawberry crumble. And I also added some crumble of Biscoff cookie butter cookies to the top of the Biscoff one. And some white chocolate chips on top of the red velvet ones. So now once everything dried, I did let them set and settle to go ahead and dry up. I am going to go ahead and bag them individually. Doing each one at a time instead of putting them all in one box, just in case they don't want to eat everything at once. And of course, I made some extra cookies because one for me and one for my daughters as well. So as I am bagging these, they are self-sealing. So I am going to wrap these up to be able to seal themselves. Now with these being picked up, I am just using my regular styrofoam bags. When I am not, or when these are getting boxed to ship, I do use wax paper bags because that way during the shipping process and the sitting at the post office, everything in those wax bags, if something comes off, it doesn't smear as much as it would in these styrofoam bags. So those are the extra cookies that I made for my daughters. So now I'm just going to go ahead and again, they do have pre-sealed, so I'm going to fold them up and then seal them, and then I am going to label them. Each one has its own label as well, individually, so they get the same treatment, the same special treatment. There is nothing different from me boxing them up except the bags. So you guys, I did have like a white bag and a brown bag, and I'm like, which one am I going to do first? So we have butter pecan, strawberry cheesecake, banana pudding. We also have red velvet cheesecake with the white chocolate drizzle on there, cookies and cream, and we have cookie butter as well that is going in this bag. I was just letting you know the banana pudding is my absolute favorite. My absolute favorite. I love the banana pudding cookie because I love banana pudding. So I'm going to add some napkins in there because, of course, who wouldn't want to try Jazzy's cookies in the car? They get a cookie care card as well because you got to know how to take care of your cookies, especially if you choose not to eat them all. And one of the main things on this cookie care card is to not put your cookies in the refrigerator, okay? Now this little sticker says may cause, warning, may cause, you guys, why am I stuck? I have like a brain fart. May cause extreme happiness. I had to go get the sticker to see what it says. And here is the bag. And these are the cookies that we decorated, you guys. Cookies are available on my site, linked down in the description.